Hello, I'm Douglas Dill with Houlihan Lawrence, and welcome to Four Bridges. There's nothing that welcomes you home more than a wood-planked bridge. You just feel like you're home. 15 Gordon Road in Carmel, New York is this incredible estate. Again, I'm Douglas Dill with Houlihan Lawrence, and I welcome you to this incredible property. So, I promised you magical, and it is magical. I'm standing in the kitchen, leaning on a stainless steel counter, standing on a radiant floor with every luxury known for a kitchen. And the backdrop, as you can see, is this incredible contemporary. Thanks for visiting Four Bridges, this phenomenal estate set on 23 acres. It's just magical in every aspect. Whichever bridge you cross, it crosses to another interesting, unique place on the property. Thanks again, Douglas Dill at Houlihan Lawrence, 914-671-7730 if you have any further questions.